Samsung's next big mid-range smartphone may have just leaked in full. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 has reportedly appeared on a European retailer's website, and the listing includes what look like official renders. These images give us one of the clearest looks yet at Samsung's next Galaxy A series device, and if the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A57 could be one of the most exciting mid-range phones of the year. Starting with the design, the renders show the phone from multiple angles. The front features a sleek flat display with noticeably slim bezels, giving the device a modern and premium appearance. On the back, Samsung sticks with its familiar minimalist design language. The Galaxy A57 appears to feature a vertical triple camera setup neatly arranged in a pill-shaped camera module. The phone also retains Samsung's signature key island button layout, which slightly raises the power and volume buttons for easier access. Overall, the design looks clean, balanced, and very much in line with recent Galaxy A series devices. Now let's talk about the display. According to the leaks, the Galaxy A57 will feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means smooth scrolling, better gaming performance, and vibrant colors, something Samsung's AMOLED panels are already known for. Under the hood, the device is rumored to be powered by the Exynos 1680 chipset. Early benchmark leaks suggest this new processor could deliver a noticeable boost in multi-core performance compared to its predecessor, making everyday tasks faster and more efficient. In terms of memory and storage, buyers will reportedly have several options. The Galaxy A57 could launch with 6GB, 8GB, or even 12GB of RAM, paired with 128GB or 256GB of storage. Photography is also getting attention this year. The phone is expected to feature a triple camera system, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel macro lens. On the front, users can expect a 12-megapixel selfie camera, designed for both high-quality selfies and clear video calls. Battery life should also be strong. The Galaxy A57 is rumored to include a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, meaning you should be able to recharge the device quickly and keep it running throughout the day. Software-wise, the phone is expected to launch with Android 16 running One UI 8.5 right out of the box. As for colors, the leak suggests the Galaxy A57 may arrive in 5 stylish shades: charcoal, icy blue, gray, lilac, and navy, all part of Samsung's well-known, awesome color lineup. With a refined design, upgraded performance, and strong camera hardware, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a powerful and stylish mid-range contender. And if these retailer renders are any indication, we may not have to wait long. Samsung typically refreshes its Galaxy A5X lineup around March, so the official launch could be just around the corner. Stay tuned, because more leaks and details are likely coming very soon.